Cảm ơn. Cảm ơn means thank you. You can pretty much use cảm ơn as if you use thank you in English. Although Vietnamese don't say thank you as often as Americans. For example, when a waitress brings him food to the table, he usually doesn't have to say cảm ơn, but it's okay if you say it. It's okay to be a little bit over polite, okay? The word ơn here, this one here, means a favor that you have accepted or an indebtedness you carry with you that you should repay if you have a chance. Không có chi. Không có chi. When someone says thank you or cảm ơn, you say không có chi. It literally means, oh, that's nothing. Okay? Xin lỗi. Xin lỗi. Xin lỗi means sorry or I'm sorry. The literal meaning is I beg you would forgive my mistake. And because of this meaning, don't use xin lỗi to express sorry for someone's loss or misfortune. Okay? That will be for another lesson. Không sao. Không sao. Không sao means it doesn't matter. It's okay. When someone says xin lỗi or sorry, you say không sao if it is very minor. Okay? Bao nhiêu tiền? Bao nhiêu tiền is how much. Or you can say bao nhiêu. That's alright too. Okay? Cái này bao nhiêu tiền? Cái này bao nhiêu tiền? If you want to know the price of a specific item, you can point at it and say cái này bao nhiêu tiền? For example, you want to buy a piece of handicraft, a souvenir. Then you can point at it and say cái này bao nhiêu tiền? Okay? Đắt quá. Đắt quá means too expensive or that's too expensive. If you are a tourist in Vietnam, the vendors might think, oh, you are from a Western country, you have a lot of money, and you don't have knowledge of the price. They would try to jack up the price, right? To demonstrate that you do have knowledge of the price, you say, đắt quá, and then you start bargain from there, okay? Yeah, yeah means a lot of things. Like, yes, uh-huh, okay, sure, I see, I understand, yes sir, yes ma'am. It is used to express agreement with someone who has a higher social status than you. Remember, everything else being equal, the person that is older has a higher social status, okay? It is also used to acknowledge that you are listening to the person who is talking to you. For example, your boss is talking to you, and from time to time you would like to say, yeah, yeah, to let him know that you are listening. Ừ is similar to yeah, except it is used by someone who has a higher social status. For example, you are a parent and you have a higher social status than your children, right? And then your son wants to borrow your car. He will say, Dad, can I borrow your car? And you will say, ừ, lấy đi. Yes, go ahead. Okay? Không. Không means no. For example, someone asks you, do you want to go to a movie? Then you would say, không. No, I don't want to go. Now, when you speak with a person with a higher social status, it's kind of rude to say không, just không. In this case, you would like to say dạ không. Dạ không. Remember the dạ that we just learned a little earlier? For example, you go to a job interview and the interviewer asks you if you have an MBA degree, and if you don't have it, you say dạ không, no sir, or no ma'am, I don't have it. Vietnam is a hierarchy sensitive society. Mindful of a person's social ranking and status is quite important when addressing him or her. The following are examples of how to say hello to a person according to his or her age or social status. Chào anh. Chào anh. The word anh here means older brother. It's like saying, hello, my older brother. When you see a man about the same age as you or a little older and you want to say hello, you say chào anh. Now, he may also respond with chào anh. So you call him older brother and he calls you older brother. It doesn't make sense, right? But it is completely normal in Vietnamese, okay? Chào chị. Chào chị. Chào chị is like saying, hello, my older sister. Now, she may respond with chào chị or chào anh. And this is completely normal in Vietnamese, okay? Chào bác. Chào bác. When you see a man or a woman about the same age as your parents or a little bit older and you want to say hello, you say chào bác. Chào cô. Chào cô. When you see a young woman or a girl whom you think is unmarried or you know she is unmarried and you want to say hello, you say chào cô. Okay? Chào ông. Chào ông. The word ông here is a formal way to address a man, okay? For example, you go to a business meeting. It's very formal, right? And you represent your company and the other man represents his company. And when you first meet this man in the meeting, you would like to say chào ông. And he would respond with chào ông. Okay? Chào bà. Chào bà. The word bà here is a formal way to address a woman. Again, like you go to a business meeting and the other side is a woman. And when you first meet her, you would like to say chào bà. And then she would respond with chào ông or chào bà, depending on whether you are a man or a woman. Okay? Chào bạn. Chào bạn. Bạn means friend. It's like saying hello my friend in English. Xin chào. Xin chào. When you meet a group of people and you don't want to say hello to each one of them, you just want to say hello once, you can say xin chào. It's like saying hello everybody. Or you meet a person and you're not sure of his social status. You don't know whether he's just an ordinary person or a VIP, a very important person. In order to be safe, you can say xin chào. Okay? The word xin here literally means back. It is put in front of a verb to express politeness or respect. The word chào means salute, right? So you salute when you come, and you salute when you leave, and you salute when you meet each other, and you salute when you part. That means all those chào anh, chào chị, chào bác, chào cô, chào ông, chào bà, chào bạn, xin chào, all those can be used to say goodbye. I hope you have the courage to say a few words in Vietnamese, whether you have a Vietnamese community in your area, or you have a Vietnamese friend, or when you travel to Vietnam. Okay, xin chào.